I think the European dimension is very important because we have a common market. And since we have a common market, we have to remove all the barriers to mobility. And I think a common European quality approach is one very good step.
I think it's very simple. It's about students getting what they earn. They are trying to follow a study and they want to get the best out of it for the future. And I think quality assurance is the best way to help students get what they are looking for.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, very welcome to this conference, Quality Assurance in Vocational Education. I will give the floor to Acting General Director Johan Blom to open the conference officially.
I think there's some lessons we can take from Sweden because the integration of the employers with the educators are quite near and they can develop the quality assurance process together.
My name is Kristina Jansson. I work as a program coordinator at the Swedish Council for Higher Education in Stockholm. And we are the national agency for the Leonardo da Vinci program and the lifelong learning program. As you probably all know, there are a lot of different education systems in Europe and also different quality assurance systems. Each country is responsible for the content of education and also how it's organized in the different countries. From our point of view, it's important because it's one of the priorities for the Leonardo da Vinci program and especially for transfer of innovation projects, which we here see, well, we see one of them here today in this conference. So from that point of view, it's a very important issue to work on at the European level. And in Sweden, we don't have a lot of projects working with quality assurance together with European partners. So we follow this project with great interest.
I think first of all, it's an expectation, not only from the society, but also for the students, for the parents, and for the enterprises, that we expect that public money are used in a proper way. So we need some quality activities. And secondly, it have to do also with the outcome, that we expect a certain level of outcome measured in quality.
Most of us, we have our own idea of what is good quality and what is bad quality when we see it, but it's a little bit difficult to define.
My name is Thora Skúladóttir and I'm a headmaster for one of the higher vocational educations in south of Sweden. And I came here today because how to take care of the quality in education is very important to me. And I think we are always talking about it and we are probably not doing it. We're just talking about it and I just wanted to get something that I can go home and use. Really use when I'm back home. So far it's been a really good day.
Where are we going? How do we make it?
Director General of the Department of Technical Education and Training in Sri Lanka. The department is representing all CVET sector in Sri Lanka. That I went through the internet, so this international conference is very useful for us, to the country. I can contribute a lot when I return from here. The issues indicated here in this conference very similar to us. The problem are facing in Sri Lanka, and here the other countries, even the European countries, are facing the similar problem, that is mismatching.
This Leonardo project gives us a big chance to exchange this information, and especially what we appreciate. This is this practical information, not to talk about this topic. We can talk and read a lot also in internet. But here we can find applicable information, and using this opportunity I want to thank in the name of our institute and our country personally Ali Rashidi for his tireless efforts and initiatives to bring all the countries, so different countries, together with absolutely different background. But we find here the common language, and we can use the same tools to achieve excellent results.
I'm always surprised that we share that much, that we have that much in common actually, because we've been discussing the challenges, and I wrote from my own experience from Dutch education. And if you share this with partners, and all partners see, well, this is for us it's rather similar, and the solutions come up with are also rather similar. I think this is really always very surprising, but always also very reassuring that this is what Europe is about.